And what you look like with plaits all over your head? Hey y'all, it's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. So I'm so excited because in the mail I just got the new Converti-Cap wig from CURLSQUEEN. So I'm excited. Well, I'm a little bit nervous because it's a headband wig. And I've seen people wear them like all the time, but I've never actually owned one. So I'm kind of curious how this is going to go. So, CURLSQUEEN packaging. So let's see. Right out of the bag, let's see what it says here. So the Converti-Cap wig, this wig is 18 inches, is 150% density, curly kinky texture to mimic our hair. As you can see, I got some curly kinky hair right here. Can be styled as a headband wig, a half wig, a ponytail wig, a full wig. Oh my God, new Converti-Cap wig. You doing a lot of things, but we're gonna be the judge of that. Okay, let's see what we got here. You know they always putting gifts in the bag. So we got your cap, headbands of course. So we got a brown one here. And we got a beige one. And of course, I have some of my own. And let's see here. I don't want to make a mess. I'm trying to clean up after myself as I go. Definitely looks kinky curly. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, okay. Let's see. All right. So, right out of the bag, the hair texture is kinky curly. You know what? This do mimic our hair. Look. Look at this kinky curly stuff, y'all. Okay, so inside of the wig, like all of the other wigs, of course. Oh, this one has more than 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it has combs all around. The front, the back, side to side. Ooh. It's super, super strong. It has a drawstring, you know, for people with peanut heads like mine, or probably for the ponytail look. Okay, so this is how it's looking. All right. So what I did was, you know, I didn't know how this was like actually going to go because I've never really worn a headband wig. So looking at other people hairstyles, I just made like I parted my hair like this. I got plaits like everywhere, you guys. And I put like a couple of twisties all the way around just in case if I want to leave some leave out in the front, I can just actually untwist them. And hopefully this hair will be able to blend in with that hair. All right, so I have a cap here that I'm going to put on. I also have this little turd sticking at the top right here just in case I want to create a ponytail. I'm not quite sure if the headband wig is going to, I just don't know because I've never done it before. So I'm curious. So let's see how this is going to go. Put this on. Put all the stuff up in the back. Okay. So I have this out. And I just have some hair down here in the back. So I'm going to start to unravel these. So I'm all unraveled. Fluff this wig out a little bit. So let's see how we're going to do this. Let's see what kind of styles we can create with this Converti-Cap wig. So I'm going to stick this comb in the front like this. Okay. Secure it all the way around. Okay. I'm going to put the drawstring a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to see what I can come up with, and I'll be right back. So this is the first look that I came up with. And it's super, super full for those of you who love big hair. Then I took some of the little gold clamps that you use for your braids and just placed them in different places for decoration. I just made like a little twist and pinned the back right here. Oh, and another thing, if you guys plan on wearing a ponytail and you pull the drawstring, make sure after you pull the drawstring, you tuck it underneath. So when you have your hair up, because this is like a lot of hair, the string won't be hanging down and you be walking thinking you looking cute and you be like, oh, snap, you know. So, food for thought. You can get your Marianne on with your two little pigtails. Okay, you can definitely get a few styles out of it. You just got to make you a concoction and keep, you know, make it soft while you're working with it. Okay. Look, I know that you guys will be able to style this Converti-Cap wig way better than me, so don't mind me. This is my first headband wig, so I'm just like playing it by ear. Don't know what I'm doing and just trying to be cute. But I know you guys go hook it up. You definitely can get quite a few styles. I didn't put this flower in my hair, and this thing got all kind of glitter in it. Well, on the Converti-Cap. But yeah, I know y'all can get a whole bunch of styles out of this. Just leave a little hair out, and you guys would be good. Definitely a fun wig. So you guys, again, go to the description box, pick up that promo code. The promo code is Sweet Pea, so that you can get you an extra 10% off on top of whatever the site is already giving off. So yeah, make sure you use that discount code. Get your new Converti-Cap wig so you can style it any way you want to. For those of you who like that kinky curly hair, and just rock out with it. Oh, and before you get off of this video, like, subscribe, click that notification button so you can stay up to date on all my future videos. And thank you so much for your support.